In this video, I will show you how to cancel Pokemon TCG Pocket Premium Pass Trial. To get started, the first thing that you will need to do is to go ahead and open Pokemon TCG. Now head back to your homepage and here head over into the Play Store by looking for Google Play Store. And on Google Play Store, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top right of your screen. Click on Payments and Subscriptions and click on Subscriptions. Now inside subscriptions, you'll be able to find Pokemon TCG Pocket. Click on that. And at the bottom of your screen, you'll be able to find this cancel subscription button. So click on that. Cancel your subscription on Pokemon TCG Pocket. You'll need to answer this pop-up form before you can continue canceling your subscription. And that is how you can simply cancel your Pokemon TCG Pocket Premium Pass Trial subscription. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.